20th century, abandoned policy, abnormally dry, abnormally warm, above level, absent-mindedness, absent-minded, absentee ballot, absolute control, absolute good, absolute measure, absolute ownership, absolute rubbish, absolutely new, absolutely possible, absolutely right, absolutely wrong, absorb sunlight, abstract painting, abstract reasoning, abstract goal, abstract thinking, abstract thought, abundant information, abundant harvest, abundant time, abundant wildlife, abundantly clear, abused drug, academic success, academic achievement, academic circle, academic performance, academic accomplishment, academic requirement, academic scholarship, academic standard, academic curriculum, academic degree, academic discipline, academic excellence, academic instruction, academic pressure, academic staff, academic status, academic study, academic subject, academic ability, academic activity, academic affair, academic aspect, academic authority, academic background, academic book, academic career, academic center, academic challenge, academic difficulty, academic field, academic heresy, academic level, academic library, academic potential, academic profile, academic program, academic record, academic role, academic setting, academic skill, academic value, academic world, academic year, accelerate speed, accentuate situation, accept idea, accept job, accept offer, accept assignment, accept bid, accept death, accept fact, accept help, accept immediately, accept thought, accept truth, accept willingly, accept work, acceptance rate, acceptance stage, accepted definition, access code, access information, access program, access quickly, accessible information, accessible route, accident occur, accident statistic, accidental death, accidental drowning, accommodation power, accomplish work, accomplish task, accomplishment performance, account executive, account number, accountancy firm, accounting job, accounting office, accounting firm, accumulate experience, accumulate evidence, accumulate knowledge, accurate term, accurately describe, accurately calculate, accurately identify, accurately reflect, accurately report, achievable goal, achieve goal, achieve success, achieve excellence, achieve balance, achieve objective, achieve perfection, achieve diversity, achieve economy, achieve equality, achieve happiness, achieve independence, achievement test, achievement award, achievement rate, achievement score, acid food, acknowledge contribution, acknowledge importance, acquire information, acquire skill, acquire immunity, acquire knowledge, across country, across street, across nation, across bridge, across continent, across society, across world, across border, across boundary, across countryside, across culture, across river, across road, act ethically, act cautiously, act correctly, act decisively, act quickly, act responsibly, activate alarm, active volcano, active child, active learner, active participant, active responsibility, active support, actively engage, actively seek, activity account, activity result, actor play, actual action, actual need, actual practice, actual problem, actual qualification, actual reality, actual situation, actual test, actual value, actual wage, actual work, actually be, actually do, actually have, actually benefit, actually know, actually care, actually exist, actually go, actually happen, actually matter, actually motivate, actually require, actually see, actually use, actually want, actually work, actually worsen, acute vision, ad campaign, ad revenue, adapt method, adapt technology, adapt well, add layer, add salt, add cost, add detail, add picture, add sugar, add variety, addiction recovery, additional tax, additional advantage, additional benefit, additional cost, additional discount, additional fund, additional learning, additional task, address problem, adequate sleep, adequate description, adequate equipment, adequate explanation, adequate facility, adequate investment, adjust method, adjust priority, adjust automatically, adjust plan, adjust pressure, adjust time, administration B, administration building, administration personnel, administrative staff, administrative work, administrative experience, administrative job, administrative efficiency, administrative expense, administrative personnel, administrative research, admirable quality, admire courage, admission free, admission process, admissions office, admit failure, admit finally, adopt child, adopt measure, adopt approach, adopt attitude, adopt policy, adopt technology, adopt widely, adoptive parent, adult child, adult woman, adult smoker, adult form, adult age, adult fair, adult teacher, adult work, adult world, advanced level, advanced science, advanced technology, advanced age, advanced level, advanced physics, advanced placement, advanced program, advanced reader, advanced course, advanced degree, advanced device, advanced economy, advanced pupil, advanced system, advanced work, adventure seeker, adventure story, adverse impact, adversely affect, advertise product, advertisement show, advertising medium, advertising agency, advertising influence, advertising rate, advertising strategy, advise daughter, advise people, advise consumer, advisory class, advocacy group, advocate approach, advocate difference, advocate recycling, aerobic exercise, aerobic dancing, aerobic movement, aerobic activity, aerobic fitness, affect relationship, affect health, affect life, affect people, affect attitude, affect career, affect chance, affect climate, affect communication, affect development, affect directly, affect domestically, affect future, affect growth, affect motivation, affect performance, affect relation, affect society, affected area, affected worker, afford apartment, afford education, afford price, afford taxis, afford tuition, affordable childcare, affordable breakfast, affordable cost, affordable energy, affordable price, afraid lose, African city, African agriculture, African country, African music, African people, African woman, after school, after class, after graduation, after work, after midnight, after find, afternoon nap, afternoon entertainment, afterwards be, against standard, against law, against discrimination, against erosion, against evil, against exploitation, against fear, against invasion, against legislation, against nature, against pollution, against poverty, against radiation, against risk, against robbery, against terrorist, against violence, age group, age discrimination, age range, age factor, age limit, age slowly, age status, aged parent, aged people, aged person, aged woman, aggressive behavior, aggressive behavior, aggressive cancer, aggressive driver, aggressive program, agrarian culture, agreeable people, agricultural price, agricultural productivity, agricultural technology, agricultural expert, agricultural land, agricultural population, agricultural production, agriculture expert. Aid design, aid program, aid group, aid organization, aid policy, aid recipient, aid worker, air pollution, air condition, air quality. Air travel, air conditioning, air crash, air flight, air hostess, air ticket, air conditioner, air force, air leak, air raid. Air traffic, aircraft cabin, aircraft computer, aircraft incident, aircraft interior, airline brand, airline pilot, airline ticket, airplane engine, airplane food. Airplane passenger, airplane ride, airplane travel, airport center, airport facility, airport hub, airport information, airport management, airport operation, airport service. Airport shuttle, airport staff, airport's authority, alarm clock, alarm system, alarming letter, album cover, alcohol control, alcohol business, alcohol level. Alcoholic mother, alert signal, alert people, all about, all right, all terrible, all together, all important, all true, allow freedom. Allow access, allow import, almost always, almost anywhere, almost everywhere, almost never, almost twice, almost unnecessary, almost complete, almost certainly. Almost double, almost empty, almost faultless, almost guarantee, almost impossible, almost independent, almost kill, almost same, almost unharmed, almost universal. Almost unobtainable, almost unstoppable, almost whisper, almost wipe, along coast, along river, along road, along shoreline, already know, already have. Already make, already be, already confirm, already create, already do, already exist, already feel, already go, already happen, already leave. Already put, already reserve, already take, already tell, already use, also have, also be, also make, also affect, also believe. Also led, also offer, also help, also know, also like, also do, also give, also mean, also need, also become. Also influence, also say, also seem, also speak, also agree, also encourage, also feed, also forget, also leave, also meet. Also produce, also prove, also provide, also push, also realize, also result, also support, also tell, also visit, also want. Alter mode, alter way, alter fact, alter lifestyle, alternative source, alternative form, alternative use, alternative way, altitude sickness, always get. Always give, always enjoy, always know, always say, always want, always agree, always come, always have, always learn, always like. Always remind, always wish, Alzheimer disease, Alzheimer patient, amateur competition, amazing speed, amazing skill, Amazon rainforest, ambitious plan, ambitious program. Ambitious undertaking, America people, America population, American university, American society, American family, American culture, American history, American government, American community. American company, American corporation, American firm, American food, American writer, American college, American people, American adult, American association, American citizen. American city, American constitution, American economy, American farmer, American football, American law, American leader, American life, American manufacturer, American movie. American Navy, American politician, American president, American psychologist, American public, American worker, amount increase, amusement park, analysis project, analysis show. Analyze cause, analyze datum, analyze effect, analyze performance, ancient philosopher, ancient wisdom, ancient time, ancient art, ancient building, ancient China, ancient civilization, ancient Egyptian, ancient legend, ancient Olympics, ancient painting, ancient palace, ancient philosophers, ancient philosophy, ancient tool, ancient world. Angry behavior, angry customer, angry face, animal cell, animal kingdom, animal breeding, animal friend, animal product, animal protection, animal species. Announce recently, announce sadly, annoying situation, annual rate, annual profit, annual report, annual checkup, annual cost, annual holiday, annual income, annual renewal, annual revenue, answer question, answer call, answer answer message, apartment building, app program, apparently have, appealing presentation, appear beautiful, appear capable, appear indifferent, appear resourceful, appetite control, Apple headquarters, apple pie, applicant list, application form, application letter, application procedure, application research, application software, applied gerontology, applied microbiology, applied psychology, apply theory, apply technique, apply technology, appoint chairman, appoint director, appointment schedule, appreciate contribution, appreciate help, appreciate music, appreciate value, appreciate work, approach death, appropriate time, appropriate measure, appropriate topic, architectural design, architectural exhibition, architecture magazine, area subject, armed guard, armed force, around world, around corner, around country, arouse interest, arouse anger, arouse enthusiasm, arouse feeling, arrange appointment, arrange delivery, arrange furniture, arrange interview, arrest immediately, arrest person, arrest suspect, arrive early, arrive late, arrive home, arrive punctually, arrive soon, art form, art gallery, art craft, art university, art course, art degree, art design, art director, art literature, art museum, art class, art college, art major, art object, art science, art theater, art tradition, article describe, article criticize, article information, article suggest, artificial heart, artificial intelligence, artificial language, artist work, artistic work, artistic taste, artistic interest, artistic quality, artistic area, artistic creation, artistic director, artistic field, artistic pursuit, Asian Americans, Asian culture, Asian family, Asian immigrant, Asian student, ask question, ask friend, ask help, ask people, ask student, ask teacher, ask doctor, ask loudly, ask participant, ask politely, ask respondent, assemble computer, assemble bookshelf, assemble machine, assembly line, assess carefully, assess effectiveness, assess value, assessment technology, assessment software, assessment system, assessment tool, assign task, assign blame, assign randomly, assign value, assignment policy, assignment rule, assistant professor, assistant director, assistant librarian, associate with, associate professor, associate degree, astonishing behavior, athlete play, athletic performance, athletic contest, athletic scholarship, athletic ability, athletic program, Atlantic Ocean, atmospheric pollution, atomic clock, attach importance, attach device, attack ship, attain goal, attempt escape, attend class, attend meeting, attend party, attend workshop, attend lecture, attend university, attend ceremony, attend conference, attend course, attend school, attend wedding, attend college, attention deficit, attention focus, attention span, attract attention, attract audience, attract investment, attract visitor, attract crowd, attract customer, attract people, attract tourist, attract world, attract funding, attract reader, attractive package, attractive woman, attribute failure, attribute success, audience member, audit department, augment capacity, Australian airport, Australian scientist, authentic cuisine, authentic food, author say, author suggest, author believe, author imply, author mention, author argue, author write, author advise, author realize, author disagree, author indicate, author note, author reckon, authority approve, authority position, auto manufacturer, auto industry, auto theft, autoimmune disease, automate technology, automatic mechanism, automatic control, automatic device, automatic pilot, automatically assume, automatically rule, automobile accident, automobile manufacturers, automotive product, automotive sector, available information, available online, available time, available tool, average person, average height, average age, average consumer, average cost, average duration, average family, average household, average income, average people, average score, average student, average temperature, aviation authority, aviation designer, aviation industry, aviation technology, avoid problem, avoid argument, avoid conflict, avoid contact, avoid stress, avoid alcohol, avoid confrontation, avoid danger, avoid situation, award ceremony, award degree, award scholarship, awful waste, awfully inconvenient, awfully sorry, awkward experience, baby boomer, baby bear, baby animal, baby blanket, baby boom, baby boy, baby carriage, bachelor degree, back pocket, back room, back door, back end, back pay, backyard, background check, background characteristic, background information, backpack design, bacterial contamination, bad habit, bad news, bad weather, bad temper, bad case, bad consequence, bad day, bad mood, bad behavior, bad decision, bad effect, bad feeling, bad night, bad option, bad part, bad taste, bad behavior, bad condition, bad cough, bad example, bad experience, bad food, bad grade, bad guy, bad idea, bad reaction, bad reason, bad service, bad situation, bad time, badly damage, badly design, bag hang, bag pack, bake cake, balance budget, balance career, balanced diet, balance equation, balance life, balanced breakfast, balancing act, ballet dancer, ban export, ban discrimination, ban use, banana pie, bandwidth speed, bank account, bank card, bank clerk, bank employee, bank headquarters, bank manager, bank report, barber shop, barefoot, bare minimum, barely able, barely have, barely keep, bargaining chip, bargaining power, bark excessively, base composition, base station, base application, base view, baseball game, baseline level, basic skill, basic value, basic fault, basic task, basic characteristic, basic chemical, basic condition, basic desire, basic education, basic element, basic feature, basic form, basic information, basic issue, basic literacy, basic math, basic mathematic, basic necessity, basic principle, basic protection, basic reason, basic role, basic science, basic service, basic strategy, basic tool, basketball team, battery power, be likely, be important, be well, be sure, be often, be time, be place, be interested, be always, be necessary, belong, be aware, be available, be different, be blank. Be concern, be popular, be possible, be afraid, be effective, be free, be essential, be late, be unable, be impossible. Be busy, be wrong, be problem, be kind, be worried, be tired, be smart, be friend, be successful, be unwilling. Be unlikely, be damage, be harmful, be small, be ready, be influence, be familiar, be safe, be pleased, be nice. Be difference, be ambitious, be unique, be similar, be unclear, be member, be interesting, be vital, be obvious, be simple. Be complicated, be absent, be boring, be competitive, be excited, be reward, be accurate, be complex, be neglect, be exciting. Be order, be quiet, be intelligent, be patient, be suitable, be conscious, be unhappy, be vulnerable, be customer, be positive. Be sad, be unaware, be acceptable, be mistake, be unfair, be control, be disappointed, be scared, be short, be uncommon. Be unwise, be frightened, be grateful, be natural, be accustomed, be comfortable, be danger, be polite, be trouble, be underestimate. Be enthusiastic, be fortunate, be home, be hot, be ignorant, be importance, be inevitable, be lucky, be market, be mistaken. Be awake, be frightened, be fundamental, be luxury, be nervous, be poisonous, be suspend, be conflict, be delighted, be foreigner. Be hungry, be surprise, be thirsty, be unemployed, be alive, be alternative, be annoyed, be asleep, be disappointing, be envious. Be exceptional, be favorite, be lonely, be millionaire, be official, be painful, be panic, be pleasant, be pleasure, be punctual. Be rare, be revolutionary, be solitude, be special, be straightforward, be sufficient, be top, be ugly, be unfortunate, be unlucky. Be unwelcome, be warm, be worthless, beach house, beach resort, beach front, bear child, bear burden, bear daughter, bear load. Bear population, beautiful day, beautiful park, beautiful building, beautiful city, beautiful country, beautiful image, beautiful location, beautiful scenery, beautiful work. Beautifully decorate, because imbalance, become popular, become difficult, become aware, become ill, become problem, become apparent, become confident, become dependent. Become impatient, become writer, become available, become common, become friend, become interested, become place, become sophisticated, become successful, become valuable. Become violinist, become wealthy, become angry, become champion, become chancellor, become commonplace, become consumer, become educator, become employer, become engineer. Become expert, become famous, become hero, become important, become inevitable, become invisible, become leader, become member, become necessary, become obvious. Become phenomenon, become president, become rich, become symbol, become time, become unemployed, become unfashionable, become unnecessary, become victim, become visible. Become vulnerable, before graduation, begin study, begin work, begin career, begin journey, behavior modification, behavioral characteristic, behavioral disorder, behavioral disorder. Below level, below zero, below ground, below threshold, beneath surface, beneficial element, beneficial impact, benefit people, benefit plan, benefit trade. Betray friend, better life, better performance, better situation, beverage container, beverage company, beyond recognition, beyond doubt, bias prejudice, bicycle shop. Big farewell, big city, big company, big problem, big business, big challenge, big change, big concern, big obstacle, big profit. big store, big chain, big deal, big house, big risk, big source, big one, big discount, big event, big idea, big increase, big opportunity, big role, big threat, big trouble, big attraction, big boost, big contributor, big corporation, big difference, big family, big fire, big firm, big fuss, big gain, big game, big hole, big impact, big influence, big island, big issue, big lake, big mistake, big money, big nose, big part, big population, big return, big reward, big step, big stir, big supermarket, big trend, bike shop, bike rider, bike ride, $1 billion, biological parent, biological clock, biological effect, biological environment, biological factor, biological inheritance, biological process, biological revolution, biological system, biology physics, bird song, birth rate, birth information, birth control, birth certificate, birthday party, birthday celebration, bitter cold, bitter flavor, black woman, black box, black bear, black worker, black dress, black female, black hole, black race, blended drink, blended family, blind faith, blind spot, block legislation, blood pressure, blood vessel, blood flow, blood count, blood sample, blood sugar, blue eye, board meeting, board member, board plane, boast about, boat people, body temperature, body weight, body heat, body language, body ache, body part, body shape, body type, boil egg, bold move, book ticket, book sale, book hotel, book room, book information, book knowledge, book learning, book online, book version, booking office, boost alertness, boost economy, boost growth, boost confidence, boost creativity, boost development, boost income, boost morale, boost price, boost production, boost sale, border crossing, boring job, boring film, boring movie, boring work, borrow car, borrow book, borrow money, borrow pen, borrow textbook, boss office, both work, bottled water, bottom shelf, bottom line, box contain, boy play, brain function, brain development, brain activity, brain cell, brain scientist, brain capacity, brain process, brain scan, brain work, branch company, brand image, brand loyalty, brand perception, breadcrumb, break rule, break window, break law, break egg, break free, break ice, break leg, break limit, break regulation, break routine, break stereotype, break tension, breakfast food, breakthrough idea, breast cancer, breathtaking sight, breeding ground, bridge gap, bridge name, bridge span, brief account, brief description, brief introduction, brief comment, brief exposure, brief glimpse, brief interval, bright child, bright bulb, bright color, bright future, bright pink, bright prospect, bright shade, bring benefit, bring profit, bring luck, bring wealth, bring experience, bring food, bring happiness, bring help, bring lunch, bring pleasure, bring problem, bring tourist, Britain people, British industry, British ship, British tradition, British woman, broad audience, broad picture, broad topic, broadband service, broadband speed, broaden appeal, broaden horizon, broaden mind, broaden range, broadly define, broken window, broken glass, broken line, broken marriage, budget problem, budget airline, budget cut, budget policy, build community, build relationship, build team, build library, build plant, build boat, build bridge, build business, build company, build confidence, build connection, build house, build model, build network, build prison, build railroad, build reputation, build resource, build skyscraper, build system, build wall, building manager, building material, building block, building project, building code, building collapse, building construction, building design, building foundation, building house, building industry, building owner, building product, bulletin board, bureaucratic administration, burn calorie, burn document, burn oil, bus com, bus driver, bus schedule, bus shelter, bus station, bus stop, business leader, business management, business institution, business transaction, business world, business school, business communication, business degree, business friend, business model, business opportunity, business organization, business partner, business people, business administration, business plan, business corporation, business district, business executive, business expansion, business letter, business news, business strategy, business success, business trip, business accounting, business application, business aspect, business associate, business career, business class, business community, business competition, business conference, business contract, business hour, business hub, business impact, business influence, business loan, business magazine, business network, business paper, business problem, business program, business relationship, business section, business sector, business staff, business student, business study, business suit, business view, busy street, busy work, busy life, busy schedule, busy season, button up, buy house, buy car, buy food, buy product, buy alcohol, buy book, buy computer, buy gift, buy item, buy ticket, buy shoe, buy software, buy equipment, buy flat, buy gasoline, buy happiness, buy medicine, buy milk, buy oil, buy place, buy present, buying decision, bypass system, cable channel, cable operator, calculate route, calculate speed, call people, call attention, call police, call back, call company, call doctor, call loss, call service, calling card, calorie intake, calorie content, calorie consumption, camera device, campaign speech, campaign activity, campus police, campus newspaper, campus security, cancel account, cancel trip, cancer screening, cancer cause, cancer cell, cancer diagnosis, cancer patient, can tomato, capital city, capital construction, capture attention, capture information, car accident, car thief, car dealer, car industry, car owner, car theft, car company, car repair, car run, car brand, car club, car door, car engine, car loan, car maker, car market, car ownership, car park, car ride, car service, car travel, car wash, car window, carbon emission, carbon dioxide, carbon pollution, card number, card reader, card company, cardboard box, cardboard tube, care about, care center, care facility, care home, care plan, care expert, caregiver, care package, care patient, care service, care unit, career opportunity, career advancement, career goal, career path, career advisor, career change, career counseling, career counselor, career experience, career expert, career guidance, career life, career option, career prospect, career service, career success, career trajectory, career woman, careful note, careful consideration, careful driver, careful examination, careful planning, careful thought, careful use, carefully plan, carefully consider, carefully monitor, carefully schedule, carefully think, carpenter work, carpet manufacturer, carry luggage, carry bag, carry gun, carry weapon, carry handbag, carry passenger, carry suitcase, cartoon show, case study, cash register, cash check, cash cow, cash flow. Casual restaurant, casual attitude, casual relationship, catch cold, catch attention, catch bus, catch immediately, catch time, catch fire, catch flu. Catch robber, catch thief, catch train, cause problem, cause damage, cause harm, cause confusion, cause pain, cause trouble, cause alarm. Cause illness, cause inconvenience, cause stress, cause accident, cause cancer, cause change, cause controversy, cause crash, cause death, cause decline. Cause destruction, cause difficulty, cause distress, cause embarrassment, cause famine, cause fire, cause flood, cause headache, cause loss, cause misunderstanding. Cause poisoning, cause pollution, cause shortage, cause strain, cause waste. Cautionary note, cease activity, celebrate birth, celebrate birthday, celebrate harvest. Celebrate holiday, cell phone, Census Bureau, central heating, central system, central aspect, central authority, central block, central character, central component. Central computer, central element, centralize management, serial crop, certain amount, certain part, certain area, certain aspect, certain kind, certain number. Certain pattern, certain thing, certain age, certain characteristic, certain extent, certain hormone, certain occasion, certain subject, certain type, certainly be. Certainly have, certainly accept, certainly seem, certainly agree, certainly consider, certainly deserve, certainly do, certainly improve, certainly think, chain store. Chain reaction, challenge phase, challenge people, challenge problem, challenging work, challenging job, challenging problem, challenging task, change attitude, change way. Change habit, change job, change nature, change behavior, change situation, change career, change life, change significantly, change structure, change taste. Change affect, change calm, change environment, change image, change lifestyle, change mind, change occur, change routine, change rule, change schedule. Change society, change style, change time, change view, change world, change approach, change code, change course, change date, change dramatically. Change focus, change form, change item, change law, change location, change opportunity, change order, change pattern, change perception, change periodically. Change personality, change plan, change policy, change process, change profession, change program, change quickly, change station, change strategy, change system. Changeable character, character conflict, characteristic feature, charge fee, charge phone, charity group, charity organization, charming character, chart illustrate, chart show. Chat room, cheap way, cheap hotel, cheap material, cheap fare, cheap house, cheap housing, cheap option, cheap place, cheap price. Cheap product, cheap service, cheap people, check mail, check out, check answer, check file, check watch, check book, check in. Check accuracy, check detail, check email, check information, check price, check time, check timetable, check work, check outline, cheer up. Chemical composition, chemical processing, chemical element, chemical experiment, cherry stone, chess competition, chess champion, chest pain, chew tobacco, chicken sandwich. Chicken soup, chief concern, chief executive, chief officer, chief reason, chief cause, chief designer, chief factor, chief objective, chief purpose. Chief resident, chief role, chiefly responsible, child learn, child care, child development, child grow, child play, child bear, child intelligence, child education, child abuse, child book, child suffer, child benefit, child behave, child growth, child health, child safety, child care center, child care worker, childhood education, childhood dream, Chinese cuisine, Chinese year, Chinese calendar, chocolate cake, choose one, choose course, choose topic, choose college, choose major, choose name, choose option, choose path, choose place, Christian church, Christmas dinner, Christmas Eve, chronic pain, chronic shortage, chronically homeless, chronological order, church bell, cinema ticket, site source, city council, city center, city official, city population, city building, city environment, city planner, city suburb, city center, city district, city management, city mayor, city planning, city state, civil war, civil engineer, civil aviation, civilized way, claim right, clarify misunderstanding, class assignment, class attendance, class size, class teaching, classic case, classic cuisine, classic literature, classical music, classification analysis, classified ad, classify information, classroom teacher, classroom activity, classroom interaction, classroom teaching, clean water, clean air, clean house, clean time, clean brush, clean energy, clean environment, clean room, clear advantage, clear idea, clear rule, clear aim, clear boundary, clear difference, clear goal, clear indication, clear intention, clear language, clear memory, clear message, clear organization, clear picture, clear policy, clear sense, clear sign, clear stream, clear view, clearly mark, clearly indicate, clearly define, clearly remember, clearly separate, clearly want, clever trick, cleverly design, click button, climate change, climate risk, climb hill, climb ladder, climb step, climbing plant, cling to, clinical report, clinical setting, clinically depressed, clock time, close relationship, close attention, close friend, close contact, close door, close link, close association, close book, close eye, close friendship, close look, close range, close relative, closed space, closely related, closely relate, closely watch, closely examine, closely monitor, closely relative, cloth bag, clothing store, clothing business, clothing industry, cloudy day, club member, coaching session, coal fire, coal gas, coal industry, coal mining, coast guard, coastal area, coastal city, coastal plain, coastal state, coastal village, coffee bean, coffee shop, coffee machine, coffee table, cognitive ability, cognitive activity, cognitive disorder, cold weather, cold house, cold war, cold cash, cold climate, cold day, cold place, cold spell, cold winter, collaborate closely, collaborative development, collect money, collect tax, collect datum, collect material, collect sample, collect signature, collect fund, collect information, collect payment, collection include, collective activity, collective effort, college student, college degree, college graduate, college education, college campus, college level, college experience, college freshman, college professor, college career, college course, college dormitory, college enrollment, college exam, college friend, college grade, college instructor, college students, colorful life, combat pollution, combine effort, combine skill, come here, come home, come suddenly, come together, comedy drama, comedy show, comfort level, comfortable life, comfortable retirement, comfortable chair, comfortable condition, comfortable distance, comfortable home, comfortable office, comfortable state, comfortable zone, comic book, coming year, commencement address, commercial value, commercial world, commercial application, commercial building, commercial exploitation, commercial fishing, commercial flight, commercial hunting, commercial jet, commercial offering, commercial product, commercial program, commercial return, commercial transaction, commercial use, commercially available, commit theft, commit offense, commit suicide, commit act, commit crime, commit offense, committee meeting, commodity fair, common cold, common sense, common view, common belief, common complaint, common experience, common stake, common thread, common activity, common aim, common concern, common culture, common expectation, common expression, common goal, common good, common misconception, common people, common phenomenon, common problem, common scene, common stereotype, common task, common type, common way, commonly know, commonly affect, commonly believe, commonly cite, commonly hold, communicate message, communicate well, communicate effectively, communicate idea, communicate instantly, communicate thought, communication technology, communication equipment, communication skill, communication network, communication business, communication consultant, communication device, communication process, communication style, community college, community work, community project, community society, community facility, community government, community health, community life, community organization, community organizer, community program, community school, community security, community service, community spirit, company make, company pay, company try, company offer, company plan, company image, company policy, company value, company boss, company culture, company cut, company development, company employee, company expand, company expansion, company growth, company improvement, company management, company name, company office, company partner, company process, company reputation, company strategy, company struggle, company support, company training, comparatively low, comparatively weak, comparability, compare activity, compare difference, compare performance, compare quality, compete successfully, competitive edge, competitive advantage, competitive market, competitive price, competitive rate, competitive society, competitive success, complain loudly, complain personally, complain politely, complete statement, complete degree, complete report, complete attention, complete change, complete exercise, complete form, complete homework, complete joy, complete program, complete retirement, complete school, complete survey, complete task, complete transformation, complete work, completely new, completely recover, completely absorb, completely control, completely cover, completely destroy, completely flat, completely free, completely remove, complex problem, complex process, complex code, complex feature, complex information, complex material, complex project, complicated reality, complicated pattern, complicated procedure, complicated task, complicated work, comprehensive learning, comprehensive therapy, comprehensive description, comprehensive knowledge, comprehensive report, comprehensive study, computer science, computer programming, computer program, computer game, computer language, computer scientist, computer crash, computer file, computer memory, computer software, computer specialist, computer technology, computer use, computer animation, computer controller, computer course, computer era, computer expert, computer hacker, computer hardware, computer internet, computer monitor, computer network, computer operator, computer power, computer printout, computer process, computer programmer, computer speaker, computer system, computer time, computer work. Conceal identity, concern about, concerned parent, conclusive evidence, conclusive proof, concrete example, condition worsen, conduct experiment, conduct research, conduct check, conduct search, conduct activity, conduct analysis, conduct survey, conduct test, conduct trial, conference table, confidential information, confirm appointment, confirm belief, confirm existence, confirm flight, confirm result, conflict arise, conflict intensify, conflict occur, confront challenge, confront directly, congressional report, connect device, connect world, conscious level, conservation effort, conservation plan, conserve energy, consider change, consider consequence, consider impact, consider necessity, consider aspect, consider carefully, consider evidence, consider problem, consider quality, consider suggestion, consider tendency, considerable amount, considerable benefit, considerable demand, considerable difficulty, considerable effect, considerable evidence, considerable experience, considerable flexibility, considerable interest, considerable power, considerable proportion, considerable sum, considerably reduce, consistent support, consistent basis, constant process, constant strain, constant change, constant complaint, constant conflict, constant monitoring, constant motion, constant practice, constant pressure, constant repair, constant source, constant supply, constant tension, constant training, constantly change, constantly create, constantly increase, constantly ask, constantly fight, constantly grow, constantly update, constantly upgrade, construct building, construction company, construction cost, construction material, construction project, construction site, constructive work, constructive criticism, consult doctor, consume product, consume energy, consume milk, consume oxygen, consume power, consume resource, consumer spend, consumer awareness, consumer business, consumer complaint, consumer counsel, consumer demand, consumer reaction, consumer spending, consumer want, consumption pattern, consumption fall, consumption material, contact information, contact office, contact team, contain information, contain calorie, contain element, contain salt, contain content, contain vitamin, contemporary artist, contemporary economist, contemporary poet, contemporary life, contemporary society, continue work, continue improvement, continue search, continued increase, continued research, continuous learning, continuous process, continuous rain, continuous stress, continuous supply, continuous work, contract sign, control measure, control center, control group, control population, control temper, control box, control consciously, control cost, control drinking, control emotion, control energy, control intake, control level, control pain, control speed, control territory, controversial issue, controversial case, convenience food, convenient access, convenient food, conventional standard, conventional view, convey message, convey meaning, convincing argument, cook meal, cookbook, cook food, cook dinner, cook lunch, cooking class, cooking show, cooking device, cooking experience, cooking lesson, cooking method, cool head, cooperate with, coordinate work, cope effectively, copy paper, copyright protection, core idea, core requirement, corn belt, corner market, corner shop, corporate culture, corporate activity, corporate boardroom, corporate practice, corporation headquarters, correct spelling, correct mistake, correct answer, correct course, correct fault, correct grammar, correct information, correct judgment, correct sense, correct time, correct way, correctly identify, correlate with, corresponding increase, cost money, cost lot, cost dollar, cost saving, cost million, cost efficient, cost fall, cost increase, cost price, cost rise, costly material, cotton ball, cotton farmer, cotton mill, cotton shirt, couch potato, council vote, count number, country limit, country export, country fair, country house, country import, country life, course book, course design, course material, course run, court sentence, court system, cover area, cover distance, cover surface, cover wall, cozy place, craft activity, craft project, craft union, crash occur, crash accident, create opportunity, create environment, create job, create future, create problem, create brand, create effect, create wealth, create art, create atmosphere, create balance, create change, create character, create condition, create content, create energy, create experience, create hierarchy, create language, create machine, create network, create noise, create panic, create possibility, create standard, create wave, create work, create world, creation ability, creative imagination, creative mind, creative process, creative work, creative idea, creative solution, creative thinking, creative artist, creative force, creative individual, creative job, creative skill, creative task, creativity thinking, credit card, credit industry, credit point, crew member, crime increase, crime problem, crime rate, crime fighting, crime occur, criminal record, criminal justice, criminal suspect, criminal act, criminal charge, criminal law, crisis control, critic argue, critic charge, critical mind, critical part, critical thinking, critical time, critical writing, critical attitude, critical care, critical comment, critical eye, critical importance, critical need, critical point, critical role, critical stage, critical year, critically ill, crop damage, cross-border, cross-street, cross-team, cross-Atlantic, cross-boundary, crucial role, crucial factor, crucial ingredient, crucial moment, crucial skill, crucial time, crude oil, cruel master, cruise ship, cubic meter, culinary skill, cultivate creativity, cultivate plant, cultural difference, cultural shift, cultural heritage, cultural activity, cultural bias, cultural confrontation, cultural diversity, cultural environment, cultural exchange, cultural geography, cultural image, cultural interference, cultural misunderstanding, cultural organization, cultural value, culture community, culture develop, culture knowledge, culture ministry, culture shock, culture system, culture tradition, culture value, cumulative effect, curb desire, curb emission, cure disease, curly hair, current crisis, current trend, current employer, current interest, current shortage, current spending, current study, current approach, current emphasis, current experience, current life, current mayor, current practice, current situation, current system, current way, currently be, currently lack, curriculum plan, custard powder, custody battle, custody right, custom officer, customer service, customer complaint, customer satisfaction, customer traffic, customer attention, customer base, customer demand, customer feedback, customer need, customer representative, customer survey, customized version, cut cost, cut spending, cut consumption, cut rate, cut cable, cut expense, cut hair, cut lawn, cut price, cut time, cut way, cute stuff, cutting edge, daily life, daily routine, daily calorie, daily necessity, daily news, daily amount, daily application, daily assignment, daily basis, daily communication, daily cycle, daily existence, daily experience, daily intake, daily newspaper, daily performance, daily record, daily special, dairy product, damage relationship, damage equipment, damage habitat, damage lung, damaged area, dance move, dance class, dance music, dance party, dance performance, dangerous place, dangerous game, dangerous job, dangerous level, dangerous state, dangerous territory, dangerous waste, dangerously close, dark hair, dark place, dark side, dark blue, dark collar, dark suit, dark world, data analysis, data processing, data source, day work, day shift, daycare center, daylight time, dead body, dead sea, dead weight, deadly attack, deadly consequence, deadly poison, deadly strain, deaf people, death rate, death approach, death sentence, debate issue, decade ago, decade pass, decent job, decent life, decent standard, decent wage, decision make, decision making, decision direction, decision maker, decisive role, decline offer, decline request, decorate home, decorate room, decorative art, decrease effectiveness, decrease expense, decrease significantly, decrease damage, decrease efficiency, decrease markedly, decrease number, decrease percent, decrease steadily, decrease time, deep sea, deep sleep, deep cave, deep significance, deep well, deep root, deep feeling, deep guilt, deep learning, deep mysterious, deep relation, deep reserve, deep reservoir, deep snow, deep underground, deep valley, deep water, deeply absorb, deeply flawed, deeply impressed, deeply personal, deeply rooted, defense lawyer, defend territory, defense against, defense secretary, defense lawyer, defense system, definite answer, definite volume, definitely remember, degree course, degree subject, delay marriage, delay treatment, delete information, delete message, deliberate choice, delicate nature, delicious dish, delicious food, delicious meal, deliver flower, deliver message, deliver time, deliver food, deliver news, deliver package, deliver water, delivery service, delivery route, delivery time, demand compensation, demand explanation, demand investigation, demand repayment, demand rise, demand side, demanding job, democratic country, democratic nation, democratic society, democratic way, demographic change, deny access, deny existence, deny opportunity, department store, department report, department manager, departure time, depend on, depend upon, depress price, depressed patient, depression level, derive from, derive pleasure, derive benefit, derive satisfaction, descend order, describe feature, describe personality, describe style, describe problem, describe type, descriptive writing, desert city, desert mountain, deserve attention, deserve reward, design strategy, design activity, design building, design business, design course, design curriculum, design layout, design magazine, design model, design planning, design process, design product, design software, design way, designing system, desirable property, desire satisfaction, desperately need, destroy planet, destructive impact, detailed description, detailed message, detailed content, detailed study, detect problem, detect cancer, detect change, detect difference, detect signal, detection method, detection system, detective story, detective work, determine cause, determine influence, determine success, determined effort, deterrent effect, develop country, develop skill, develop ability, develop habit, develop interest, develop system, develop industry, develop model, develop opportunity, develop capability, develop degree, develop economy, develop intelligence, develop love, develop network, develop philosophy, develop program, develop rapidly, develop relation, develop sense, develop strength, develop style, develop technology, develop theory, developed country, development ability, development community, development control, development index, development process, development strategy, developmental psychologist, developmental psychology, device use, device system, devote time, devote energy, dial number, die young, dietetic association, differ greatly, differ sharply, differ significantly, different way, different race, different people, different type, different culture, different form, different opinion, different product, different region, different thing, different kind, different language, different layer, different meaning, different measure, different part, different university, different version, different activity, different approach, different audience, different benefit, different color, different idea, different material, different model, different newspaper, different stage, different strategy, different test, different theory, different word, different area, different attitude, different background, different behavior, different business, different career, different channel, different character, different city, different college, different conception, different country, different department, different discipline, different discussion, different dish, different emotion, different file, different gesture, different goal, different group, different hotel, different market, different mean, different member, different option, different outcome, different outlook, different participant, different perception, different personality, different place, different point, different population, different process, different program, different quality, different rate, different reaction, different reality, different remedy, different response, different restaurant, different role, different school, different set, different setting, different shape, different sort, different sound, different state, different statement, different status, different stimulus, different stuff, different style, different surrounding, different system, different technique, different text, different tone, different tool, different use, different variety, different view, different village, different world, difficult time, difficult change, difficult condition, difficult decision, difficult task, difficult assignment, difficult choice, difficult circumstance, difficult language, difficult point, difficult problem, difficult question, difficult situation, difficult step, difficult thing, difficult work, difficulty problem, dig deep, dig pit, digest information, digital revolution, digital photography, digital camera, digital device, digital divide, digital age, digital book, digital material, digital product, digital system, digital code, digital game, digital medium, digital content, digital form, digital photo, digital stream, digital technology, diminish chance, diminish gradually, diminish investment, dining room, dining hall, dining car, dinner party, dinner table, dinner plate, diplomatic relation, diplomatic way, direct mail, direct contact, direct line, direct route, direct traffic, direct way, direct customer, direct effect, direct experience, direct flight, direct government, direct impact, direct interaction, direct mailing, direct measure, direct movement, direct observation, directly relate, director position, director meeting, dirt road, dirty word, dirty laundry, dirty surface, dirty wall, disability benefit, disability insurance, disagreement arise, disappear altogether, disaster relief, disastrous consequence, disastrous decision, disastrous result, discipline level, discipline training, disclose identity, discount price, discount offer, discover way, discriminate against, discuss plan, discuss problem, discussion board, discussion forum, disease control, disease risk, disease affect, disease cause, disease spread, display quality, display range, display sign, display skill, display work, disposal system, dispose properly, disproportionately affect, dispute arise, disruptive effect, dissatisfied customer, distance learning, distance travel, distant future, distant place, distinct advantage, distinct group, distinct impression, distinct region, distinct type, distinctive feature, distinctive smell, distinguished physicist, distinguished guest, distinguished people, distract attention, distribute money, distribute food, distribute heat, distribute mail, distribute product, distribution system, district manager, district attorney, district information, disturb sleep, ditch system, dive into, diverse workforce, diverse audience, diverse pool, divide time, dividing line, divine right, diving suit, divorce rate, divorce woman, divorced man, divorced woman, do work, do job, do research, do housework, do business, do play, do homework, do exercise, do experiment, do task, do activity, do cooking, do shopping, do study, do cleaning, do maintenance, do math, do survey, do translation, do washing, do practice, do project, do test, do advertising, do arithmetic, do assessment, do assignment, do calculation, do class, do deal, do exam, do needlework, do reading, do service, do sightseeing, do trick, doctoral degree, document case, document describe, dog biscuit, dog fight, dog food, dog owner, domestic market, domestic price, domestic affair, domestic business, domestic cat, domestic demand, domestic production, domestic sale, domestic violence, domestic worker, dominant role, dominant personality, dominant theme, dominate market, donate book, donate time, door open, door handle, double income, double layer, double room, double standard, down street, downside, download picture, download program, downtown area, downward motion, dramatic decline, dramatic change, dramatic drop, dramatic example, dramatic gain, dramatic impact, dramatic transformation, dramatically affect, dramatically reduce, drastic action, drastic change, drastic reform, drastically reduce, draw attention, draw map, draw picture, draw plan, draw conclusion, draw criticism, draw figure, draw line, draw support, drawing board, dream state, dress code, dress uniform, drilling device, drink alcohol, drink beer, drink juice, drink bottle, drink coffee, drink company, drink industry, drink liquid, drink milk, drink water, drinking coffee, drinking habit, drive car, drive vehicle, drive experience, drive fast, drive back, driver test, driver license, driver exam, driver level, driver training, driving lesson, driving accident, driving experience, driving license, driving range, drop letter, drop litter, drop rate, dropout rate, drug abuse, drug addiction, drug store, drug treatment, drug use, dry cleaning, dry condition, dry cough, dry eye, dry ground, dry hair, dry mouth, dry place, dry soil, dry weather, due respect, due weight, dull routine, during day, during year, during season, during century, during decade, during war, during conversation, during crisis, during depression, during month, during night, during visit, during week, dust cloud, dust particle, eagerly anticipate, early stage, early year, early century, early age, early attempt, early education, early form, early generation, early intervention, early time, early adulthood, early day, early morning, early retirement, early training, early month, early afternoon, early career, early childhood, early communication, early date, early death, early detection, early evidence, early finding, early forecast, early man, early marriage, early period, early report, early rise, early train, early warning, earn money, earn living, earn grade, earn interest, earn reward, earth atmosphere, earth scientist, earthquake hit, earthquake occur, earthquake shake, earthquake victim, easily find, easily accessible, easily access, easily break, easily distract, easily ignore, easily manage, easily promote, easily replace, easily switch, East Coast, Eastern part, easy access, easy job, easy way, easy life, easy meal, easy thing, easy calculation, easy choice, easy maintenance, easy matter, easy problem, easy question, easy solution, easy task, eat food, eat breakfast, eat meal, eat dinner, eat together, eat vegetable, eat well, eat lunch, eat animal, eat pie, eat quickly, eat alone, eat bread, eat healthily, eat snack, eat soup, eating habit, economic growth, economic crisis, economic benefit, economic recession, economic efficiency, economic development, economic factor, economic indicator, economic loss, economic progress, economic recovery, economic success, economic research, economic entity, economic gain, economic imperialism, economic law, economic output, economic professor, economic trend, economic advantage, economic background, economic burden, economic change, economic community, economic consequence, economic contribution, economic destruction, economic expansion, economic globalization, economic hardship, economic health, economic history, economic impact, economic incentive, economic inequality, economic instability, economic life, economic need, economic opportunity, economic perspective, economic prosperity, economic revolution, economic science, economic security, economic situation, economic storm, economic strength, economic system, economic time, economic trouble, economic value, economic waste, economical way, economy base, economy class, economy grow, edit book, editorial page, educate people, educate child, educate generation, educate public, educate student, education system, education budget, education experience, education research, education department, education association, education authority, education bureaucracy, education company, education level, education market, education network, education reform, education service, education skill, education standard, education work, education world, educational system, educational program, educational attainment, educational background, educational benefit, educational institution, educational resource, educational success, educational achievement, educational choice, educational cost, educational function, educational goal, educational need, educational plan, educational qualification, educational reform, educational requirement, educational setting, educational standard, effect change, effect disappear, effect occur, effective way, effective measure, effective communication, effective form, effective use, effective writing, effective cure, effective leader, effective defense, effective drug, effective education, effective medium, effective reward, effective strategy, effective system, effective training, effective weapon, effectively limit, effectively ban, effectively bypass, effectively tackle, efficiency decrease, efficient way, efficient system, efficient administration, efficiently use, efficiently work, egg break, either be, elaborate pattern, elderly people, elderly population, elderly man, elderly parent, elderly patient, elderly person, elderly relative, electric vehicle, electric bike, electric power, electric car, electric shock, electric appliance, electric bicycle, electric company, electric cooker, electric fan, electric grid, electrical engineer, electrical current, electrical engineering, electrical unit, electricity board, electricity consumption, electricity crisis, electricity output, electricity usage, electromagnetic field, electronic device, electronic communication, electronic company, electronic medium, electronic record, electronic technology, element item, elementary school, elementary curriculum, eliminate possibility, eliminate fear, eliminate need, elite school, email address, email account, embarrassing moment, embrace future, emergency room, emergency department, emergency plan, emergency case, emergency equipment, emergency kit, emergency service, emergency supply, emit signal, emit radiation, emotion attitude, emotion feeling, emotional energy, emotional problem, emotional appeal, emotional bond, emotional component, emotional connection, emotional development, emotional disorder, emotional distress, emotional event, emotional involvement, emotional need, emotional point, emotional state, emotional strain, emotional support, emotional trauma, emotionally vulnerable, emphasize fact, emphasize importance, employ people, employ crew, employ method, employ worker, employee training, employee resource, employee member, employee morale, employee productivity, employment fall, employment rate, employment service, employment status, empty calorie, empty dustbin, empty basket, empty promise, empty space, enable communication, encounter difficulty, encounter obstacle, encounter problem, encourage use, encourage student, encourage child, encourage creativity, encourage diversity, encourage growth, encourage trade, encourage woman, encouraging word, end result, end point, endanger life, endless debate, endless effort, endless fighting, endless war, enemy action, enemy attack, energetic debate, energy cycle, energy use, energy conservation, energy independence, energy crisis, energy efficient, energy problem, energy consumption, energy industry, energy release, energy security, energy source, energy supply, energy store, energy development, energy drain, energy expert, energy policy, energy production, energy program, energy project, energy requirement, energy research, energy resource, energy trade, energy transform, energy value, enforce ban, enforce code, enforce discipline, engine management, engine design, engine noise, engineering art, engineering problem, engineering background, engineering company, engineering degree, engineering department, engineering mathematics, engineering science, engineering skill, English language, English people, English man, English writer, enhance image, enhance learning, enhance awareness, enhance concentration, enhance creativity, enhance function, enhance health, enhance morale, enhance motivation, enhance skill, enjoy life, enjoy read, enjoy popularity, enjoy food, enjoy music, enjoy picnic, enjoy work, enjoy challenge, enjoy moment, enjoy process, enjoy sunshine, enjoy time, enjoy trip, enjoy yourself, enlarge capacity, enormous number, enormous advantage, enormous amount, enormous benefit, enormous capacity, enormous change, enormous flow, enormous increase, enormous power, enormous quantity, enormous scale, enormous success, enough money, enough time, enough food, enough energy, enough support, enough attention, enough importance, enough reason, enough resource, enough responsibility, enough vacation, enrich experience, enrich life, enrich knowledge, enroll student, ensure safety, ensure security, ensure consistency, ensure development, ensure privacy, enter room, enter school, enter college, enter building, enter house, enter state, enter university, entertain audience, entertain guest, entertainment business, entertainment journalist, entertainment circle, entertainment industry, enthusiasm fade, enthusiastic supporter, entire building, entire city, entire globe, entire industry, entire library, entire nation, entire school, entire society, entire system, entire year, entirely different, entirely reliable, entirely free, entirely new, entirely random, entirely unintended, environment engineer, environmental protection, environmental impact, environmental pollution, environmental factor, environmental problem, environmental crisis, environmental damage, environmental effect, environmental harm, environmental issue, environmental standard, environmental group, environmental awareness, environmental destruction, environmental disaster, environmental disease, environmental influence, environmental movement, environmental quality, environmental report, environmental science, environmentally friendly, environmentally sound, Episcopal Church, equal access, equal right, equal advantage, equal chance, equal importance, equal part, equally important, equally true, equally active, equally capable, equally good, equally strong, equivalent relationship, erroneous information, error occur, escape problem, escape reality, escape responsibility, especially true, especially like, especially popular, especially attractive, especially careful, especially damaging, especially demonstrate, especially interesting, especially strict, especially worried, especially worrying, essay assignment, essay question, essential part, essential element, essential role, essential skill, essential substance, essential thing, essentially impossible, essentially unchanged, establish company, establish connection, establish foundation, establish link, establish organization, establish relationship, established practice, estate market, estate broker, estate development, estate agency, estate agent, estimate impact, estimate length, estimate damage, ethical decision, ethical standard, ethical position, ethical rule, ethnic background, ethnic divide, ethnically diverse, European country, European government, European Commission, European continent, European Union, evacuate area, evaluate risk, evaluate health, evaluate performance, evaluate qualification, evaluate situation, evaluation system, even more, even have, even bad, even make, even change, even consider, even hold, even load, even mention, even strong, evening course, evening class, evening meal, evening program, evening paper, evening wear, evening show, evenly distribute, event change, event log, event occur, eventually become, eventually catch, eventually bring, eventually hurt, eventually return, ever have, ever know, ever exist, ever happen, ever meet, ever see, ever want, everyday life, everyday experience, everyday meal, everyday activity, everyday live, everyday necessity, everyday situation, evidence support, evidence show, evidence indicate, evil spirit, evil thing, evolution program, evolutionary theory, evolutionary adaptation, evolutionary change, exact word, exact impact, exact copy, exact detail, exact procedure, exact spot, exact title, exactly same, exaggerate problem, exam question, examination paper, examination system, examine carefully, examine consequence, examine characteristic, examine evidence, examine implication, examine influence, examine possibility, examine sample, example illustrate, example show, exceed limit, excellent student, excellent service, excellent work, excellent administration, excellent beer, excellent brand, excellent condition, excellent design, excellent health, excellent job, excellent opportunity, excellent record, excellent start, excellent talent, excellent teacher, exceptional performance, exceptional job, excessive use, excessive amount, excessive consumption, excessive drinking, excessive spending, excessively high, exchange information, exchange experience, exchange glance, exchange house, exchange idea, exchange look, exchange organization, exchange program, exchange study, exciting experience, exciting film, exciting job, exciting life, exclamation mark, executive chef, executive committee, executive director, executive job, executive position, executive action, executive officer, exercise control, exercise regularly, exercise class, exercise judgment, exercise leadership, exercise training, exert influence, exert pressure, exhausted crew, exhaustive study, exhibition hall, exist home, expand business, expand frontier, expand market, expand boundary, expand capacity, expand circle, expand influence, expand network, expand scope, expand vision, expect return, expense amount, expense cost, expensive item, expensive option, expensive home, expensive hotel, expensive jewel, expensive purchase, experience conflict, experience crisis, experience show, experience life, experience stress, experience attack, experience death, experience fear, experience joy, experience love, experience pain, experience problem, experienced instructor, experienced manager, experienced operator, experienced writer, experiential curriculum, experiment show, experiment indicate, experiment result, experimental purpose, expert believe, expert argue, expert agree, expert knowledge, expert think, expert advise, expert recommend, expert suggest, expiration date, explain reason, explain difference, explain fact, explain information, explain procedure, explicit instruction, exploit opportunity, exploit resource, exploit worker, exploration plan, exploration program, explore way, explore idea, explore world, explore area, explore country, explore experience, explore issue, explore possibility, explore space, explore strategy, explore territory, explosion cause, export commodity, express emotion, express idea, express satisfaction, express view, express gratitude, express mail, express thought, express wish, express worry, express admiration, express anger, express clearly, express concern, express delivery, express dissatisfaction, express preference, extend career, extend appeal, extend knowledge, extend life, extended leave, extended family, extension strategy, extensive use, extensive damage, extensive knowledge, extensive source, extensive travel, extensively use, exterior lighting, external source, external factor, extra work, extra year, extra copy, extra money, extra activity, extra attention, extra calorie, extra care, extra compensation, extra feature, extra help, extra pay, extra strength, extra time, extract water, extracurricular activity, extraordinary success, extraordinary variety, extreme weather, extreme measure, extreme caution, extreme condition, extreme event, extremely difficult, extremely expensive, extremely angry, extremely busy, extremely harmful, extremely precarious, extremely sensitive, extremely troublesome, extremely accurate, extremely cheerful, extremely dangerous, extremely diverse, extremely fast, extremely hard, extremely mean, extremely painful, extremely poisonous, extremely popular, extremely productive, extremely responsive, extremely severe, extremely similar, extremely strong, extremely tedious, extremely valuable, extremely weak, extremely wealthy, eye contact, eye movement, eye roll, eye witness, eye color, eye level, eye surgery, face challenge, face pressure, face threat, face crisis, face death, face dilemma, face issue, face obstacle, face opposition, face poverty, face problem, face reality, face situation, face time, facial feature, facial expression, facilitate communication, facilitate learning, facilitate access, facilitate administration, facilitate expansion, facility type, factor influence, factor affect, factor determine, factor include, factory equipment, factory floor, factory owner, factory produce, factory worker, faculty member, fail entirely, fail miserably, failure state, faint noise, fair decision, fair skin, fair chance, fair evaluation, fair game, fair play, fairly large, fairly common, fairly good, fairly long, fairly sound, fairly sure, fairy tale, faithful friend, fake product, fall asleep, fall sharply, fall ill, fall percent, fall behind, fall down, fall over, fall rock, fall semester, fall sick, fall significantly, fall sleep, false notion, false alarm, false assumption, false perception, false picture, false sense, familiar image, familiar name, familiar object, familiar people, familiar place, familiar sight, family member, family friend, family life, family planning, family burden, family eat, family income, family business, family move, family relationship, family responsibility, family room, family rule, family history, family home, family reunion, family violence, family background, family budget, family duty, family expense, family farm, family finance, family gather, family look, family man, family obligation, family outing, family problem, family quarrel, family value, famous star, famous university, famous food, famous novel, famous artist, famous brand, famous building, famous chef, famous company, famous institution, famous man, famous manufacturer, famous musician, famous people, famous person, famous professor, famous reputation, famous saying, famous scholar, famous word, famous writer, fancy dinner, fancy restaurant, far more, far away, far enough, far east, far outnumber, far superior, farewell party, farm animal, farm building, farmhouse, farm laborer, farm machine, farm product, farmer market, farming community, fashion industry, fashion designer, fashion show, fashion model, fashion design, fashion house, fashion world, fashion writer, fashionable district, fast food, fast development, fast route, fast grow, fast growth, fast pace, fast change, fast move, fast rate, fast return, fast shrink, fast speed, fast spread, fast travel, fasten belt, fat man, fat meat, fatal accident, fatal disease, fatal mistake, fatal weapon, fatal injury, fateful decision, father say, father have, fatty food, faulty appliance, faulty memory, favorable price, favorite show, favorite topic, favorite brand, favorite color, favorite musician, favorite place, favorite program, favorable climate, feature article, federal law, federal government, federal agency, federal authority, federal budget, federal program, federal bank, federal commission, federal funding, federal guideline, federal judge, federal standard, federal state, feed people, feed animal, feed diet, feel happy, feel disappointed, feel good, feel tired, feel pain, feel bad, feel depressed, feel guilty, feel hungry, feel insecure, feel lucky, feel pressure, feel proud, feel reluctant, feel comfortable, feel connection, feel embarrassed, feel exhausted, feel satisfaction, feel shame, feel sorry, feel uncertain, feel uncomfortable, feel uneasy, feel ashamed, feel bitter, feel bored, feel confident, feel difference, feel emotion, feel empathy, feel energetic, feel frustration, feel ill, feel isolated, feel joy, feel panic, feel pride, feel relaxed, feel sad, feel safe, feel satisfied, feel sick, feel sleepy, feel strange, feel stress, feel strongly, feel terrible, feel thirsty, feel unhappy, feel upset, feel way, fellow participant, fellow passenger, fellow student, fellow worker, female student, female counterpart, female president, female baby, female beauty, female characteristic, female employee, female leader, female relative, female staff, female worker, fence post, fertile farmland, fertility treatment, festival eve, festival gala, few year, few people, few word, few day, few month, few hour, few decade, few minute, few second, few time, few week, few attempt, few benefit, few casualty, few factor, few hundred, few inch, few item, few moment, few night, few opportunity, few option, few point, few problem, few reason, few scientist, few symptom, fiber intake, field trip, field research, fierce competition, fierce attack, fierce debate, 15-minute, Fifth Avenue, 50-year, fight scene, fight virus, fight bite, fight bravely, fight depression, fight disease. Fight hard, figure indicate, figure represent, file cabinet, file complaint, fill information, fill form, fill life, fill lot, fill tank. Film market, film industry, film business, film company, film review, film star, filmmaker, final exam, final approval, final conclusion, final decision, final design, final edition, final goal, final moment, final page, final result, final stage, finalize contract, finally begin, finally decide, finally give, finally led, finally pass, finally reach, finally remember, finally succeed, finally tell, finally understand, finance corporation, finance education, finance management, financial aid, financial support, financial burden, financial cost, financial stress, financial target, financial crisis, financial position, financial difficulty, financial issue, financial loss, financial matter, financial officer, financial problem, financial resource, financial security, financial affair, financial analysis, financial area, financial aspect, financial asset, financial background, financial condition, financial consideration, financial contribution, financial disaster, financial district, financial future, financial goal, financial hardship, financial instability, financial interest, financial market, financial newspaper, financial pressure, financial reason, financial service, financial situation, financial stability, financial statement, financial stimulus, financial success, financial transaction, financially rewarding, find way, find job, find place, find girlfriend, find work, find cure, find time, find help, find fault, find flaw, find gold, find joy, find method, find money, find partner, find relationship, find solution, find accommodation, find answer, find apartment, find approach, find balance, find cause, find evidence, find example, find excuse, find friend, find funding, find hotel, find information, find interest, find key, find love, find mistake, find oil, find opportunity, find pleasure, find position, find ratio, find reason, find resource, find restaurant, find significance, find somewhere, find target, find word, finding show, find day, find art, find food, find point, find quality, finish assignment, finish work, finish project, finish homework, finish report, finish school, finish course, finish degree, finish grade, finish job, finish task, finished product, finished result, fire insurance, fire burn, fire department, fire destroy, fire engine, fire protection, fire rocket, firm belief, firm commitment, firm decision, firm favorite, firm material, firm supporter, firmly believe, firmly opposed, first time, first paragraph, first place, first lady, first step, first year, first child, first day, first thing, first night, first term, first book, first generation, first job, first meet, first person, first speech, first week, first word, first appear, first car, first choice, first come, first floor, first glance, first half, first month, first performance, first phase, first round, first rule, first sentence, first try, first woman, first writer, first go, first attempt, first block, first building, first century, first couple, first create, first experience, first flight, first girlfriend, first interview, first introduce, first look, first love, first marriage, first mention, first novel, first offer, first play, first priority, first rate, first salary, first sample, first semester, first settler, first sign, first source, first stage, first start, first taste, first third, fish hook, fish shop, fishing boat, fishing rod, fishing ban, fit description, fit easily, fit appropriately, fit together, fit well, fitness movement, fitness equipment, fitness test, fitness training, fitness center, fitness class, fitness program, 5-day, fix time, fix asset, fix problem, flat price, flavor enhancer, fleeting thought, flexibility training, flexible hour, flexible material, flexible approach, flexible work, flight data, flight delay, flight leave, flip side, flood cause, floor height, flow naturally, flow through, flower pattern, flower shop, flower tree, flowery language, flu season, flu vaccine, focal point, focus attention, focus camera, focus effort, focus shift, follow statement, follow example, follow advice, follow guideline, follow instruction, follow order, follow regulation, follow rule, follow tradition, follow code, follow footprint, follow idea, follow instinct, follow line, follow meeting, follow model, follow path, follow pattern, follow policy, follow procedure, follow rhythm, follow route, follow routine, follow rules, follow strictly, follow suggestion, follow suit, follow trend, following question, following passage, following day, following list, following year, food company, food chain, food shortage, food industry, food intake, food supply, food security, food store, food market, food outlet, food production, food item, food delivery, food ingredient, food label, food source, food bank,